Hi, Nathan here from Personal Best Physiotherapy in Wodonga. Thank you for registering for our upcoming back pain and sciatica workshop. I'm really excited to be hosting this event right here in Wodonga. To help you get the most out of the workshop, you need to do some preparation. When we see patients with back pain in our practice, one of the first things we're looking to do is to see if their pain is reproducible. What does this mean and why is it important? When your pain is reproducible, this means that certain activities, movements, or positions make your back pain feel worse. And when your pain is reproduced in this way, this means that there is a physical cause for your pain and physio is more likely to help you. Alternatively, if your pain is not reproduced with movements, positions, or activities, this means there is another cause for your pain and you might not be in the right spot. So it helps us to work out if physio is the right place for you to be. The second reason that reproducible pain is important is it tells us which tests to do in our physical examination. Different back problems behave in different ways, and when we understand the cause of your pain, we can plan out which tests we need to do to uncover the cause of your problem. So, your first piece of homework is, over the next few days, or perhaps a week, write down when you get your back pain and write down what it is that you are doing when you have your pain. This could be a movement, perhaps say rising from a chair or bending forward to lift something, or it could be a position like driving in the car. Whatever it is, when you get your pain, write it down so you can remember it and also so you can start to see if there is a pattern. Here's what some of our patients have said over the years. My back feels worse when rising from a chair, particularly a low or soft chair. My back feels worse when bending forward, perhaps to dress myself. My back feels worse doing the vacuuming or mopping at home. My back feels worse when driving, and if I drive too long, sometimes the pain starts to go down my leg. Or my back feels worse after gardening. This is just a list to get you thinking. The most important thing is that when you get your pain, write it down so you remember it. Good luck with your homework, and I look forward to seeing you at the workshop.